guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is nnshapumba, aka Nay the Hustler. If you're new, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Also click on the notification bell so that every time I upload a video you will be notified. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. To each and every one of you, I appreciate you so much. Now in today's video I will be showing you guys how to use a Milton sterilizing unit. You're also going to need a Milton sterilizing fluid. So these two products go hand in hand. So this two goes hand in hand, like I mentioned, but you buy them separately. They don't come together. However, you need both of them in order for you to sterilize. So this Milton sterilizing fluid can be purchased at Dischem, at Clarence, Woolies, and then the sterilizing unit can be purchased at Clarence, Dischem, Game, and yeah, it goes for 120 at Clarence, and then it's 109 rand and 95 at Dischem. So this is how it looks on the inside. Nothing complicated. It's honestly just a bucket. But yeah, it's called a sterilizing unit. So the line on top there is very important, very important to take note, because when you fill up your water needs to be at that level, otherwise it's going to spill. So just make sure when you fill it up with water, fill it up until at that marked place over there. Just make sure that you wash your baby's utensils, your bottles, before you sterilize them. Very important also, because you are sterilizing it, you're not washing it. So yeah, just make sure you wash thoroughly before you sterilize your baby's product. So we are going to need 2 caps of sterilizing fluid that needs to be added to the unit. So when I'm sterilizing my baby's teething toys, I normally use 1 cap because it says at the back it can change color. So I haven't experienced that yet so far, but yeah, but when I'm sterilizing his bottles, I normally I put 2 caps of the sterilizing fluid. It's also said you can sterilize water. I did not try that. I'm not gonna try that. There's more details at the back of the sterilizing fluid about that. So yeah, now after adding the 2 caps of the fluid, you're going to add whatever you're sterilizing. Right now I'm adding my baby's bottles and his percifiers. Yeah, so also kindly subscribe and let me know what times are convenient for you in order for me to post on my YouTube channel. Like, would you like for me to post at a certain time on Wednesday and at a different time on Sunday? I'd really love to know, because I really want to be consistent on my channel. So after adding everything to the unit, you're going to cover it with a solution. So I didn't know what this white thing over here is called until I read at the back. So it's called a solution. So yeah, this is how you put it. You cover up the water. So that's the main reason why you're not supposed to overfill this bucket, because this solution needs to be inside there. And then you cover it up with your unit's lid and you leave it for 30 minutes. So after doing all that I just did right now, you're going to cover it and leave it for 30 minutes. That's how you sterilize. Also, just make sure that when you remove your baby's items from the sterilizing unit, your hands are clean. Please wash your hands before removing your baby's utensils or feeding bottles or pacifiers. Very important. So after that, you're going to take it out. After 30 minutes, you're going to take everything out and just let it dry up. So I normally don't wipe. I don't wipe my baby's bottles. I just leave it up to dry. So my honest opinion on this product is that it is really worth it. Even the price, guys, it's honestly affordable. So yeah, guys, comment down below and let me know if you're a mama and you've used the Milton sterilizing unit and just let me know how your experience was. And yeah, my honest opinion, my honest review on it. I love it, love it, love it. Nothing complicated, honestly, guys. Like, the only thing that was confusing me was the solution. You know, that white round thing. I didn't know whether it goes to the bottom or the top. So that was one of my challenges. Other than that, it was a great it is a great product. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next